Welcome to ClearTask. Today we are covering a quick and easy way to set up zoom in and out controls for your games on BlueStacks. To begin, open BlueStacks and launch the game you want to play. Allow the game to fully load. Look at the toolbar located on the right side of your screen. Click on the game controls icon. From the drop-down menu that appears, select the Controls Editor. This will open a panel with various control options. Locate the zoom feature in this list. Click and hold the zoom option, then drag and drop it directly onto your game screen. You can place it wherever it makes the most sense for your gameplay. Now, you can assign your preferred keyboard keys, click on the plus and minus sections of the zoom overlay on your screen, and press the specific keys on your keyboard that you want to use for zooming in and out. After setting your keys, navigate to the bottom right corner of the Controls Editor panel and click Save. Your custom zoom controls are now active and ready to use. If this guide helped you, please like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tutorials. Thanks for watching.